In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Fillet command in AutoCAD. From here, first we're going to type the L command on the AutoCAD's tab. And for example, I type the 5 and then another 5 from here. And from here, I'm going to type the 5 on the direction again. And for us to use the Fillet on here, just simply type the word fill, and on the bottom of it, just going to choose the two object, and then there you are. We've already have the fillet here. You can also use the fillet here on the bottom of it and choose the two objects, like for example this, and there you can just simply connect this line. And that's about it. That's how to use the fillet command in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.